Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 6.14 on VMware Workstation. First download TailsOS 6.14 by going to Tails official website, that is tails.net. Hit enter, then click on install Tails. See here the latest version of the TailsOS is 6.1.4. Download by clicking on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 6.14 ISO image and its size is 1.5 gigabytes. If you want to download direct ISO, click on this one. If you want to download by using BitTorrent link, you have to click on this one. Either is same. So I am going to download by using direct ISO image. Click on it. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Either is fine. Then next here select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See here I have the TailsOS ISO file. Select it and click on open. Click on next. Select guest operating system type as Linux and version as Debian 64-bit. Then click on next. Here provide the name for the virtual machine for the TailsOS. Tails OS 614 VM. Name can be anything. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Go to the path where you have the enough space. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I want to increase it to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware to increase. Here provide the memory in megabytes, or you can use this pointer to up and down. Okay, either is fine. So click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, just click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings, or select it and click on VM and settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use the up and down arrows and select the first one, that is TailsOS 6.14, and hit enter. Now we have to configure language and formats and persistent storage and additional settings. Okay, if you want to set the language, click on this language, then you can search language. Okay, I'm okay with English United States, and keyboard layout also I'm okay with this one. Formats also same. If you want to create persistent storage, just click on it and check this one, on or off. Okay, I don't want. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See here we have the administration password, MAC address, offline mode, unsafe browser and network connection. I want to only configure this admin password. By default it is off, so click on it. Then provide the password or set the password. Then click on add. See, we have set one additional settings. Again, if you want to set others of any one of these, you can select them. I'm okay with all these settings. Then click on start Tails. If you want to connect tar, just select this radio button, that is connect to tar automatically, and click on connect to tar. See, it is connecting. Now open terminal, go to activities, then show applications, click on terminal. Now verify the version that we have installed, more/etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsOS 6.14. Okay, give to quit, control it. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. It is not found, then give IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, control it. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of administration that we have set. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to tar. Click on start to tar browser. See, you got the tar browser. Okay, let me close. See, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.14 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.